Okay, we have this ASUS which we did a thermal tune-up on and replaced the battery and supplied a new charger, and the battery only charges to 81%. And I can confirm that. And also user said the trackpad is flickering. Interesting problem. I had a look myself, and I did manage to repeat the problem of screen flickering, not just the trackpad. So this little guy, which is a cover on top, came off, unfortunately, as I was peeling it off. So I had a look briefly, and I noticed some of the pins have come off or they're loose. So here, see this guy? There we go. 1, 2, 3. The last one too. So basically, it's very finicky. What we're gonna do? We're gonna do some touch-ups. Pretty much all of them, just in case, just to be safe, you know. Okay. Problem is keeping this guy safe here, which is quite difficult to do. So we're going to use the little magnets to help us. Okay. Like that, one magnet there. Let's go find another magnet right there. Okay. Okay. So I thought I'll continue making a video on this. And you know, the customer is right. This is something unique. They didn't have this problem before. Okay. Now we don't know about the battery yet. We've asked our supplier for a replacement to be sent. Okay. Okay, a little bit too much. Okay. That's annoying, that is. Okay. Okay, great. Okay. Okay. See how they behave. Good, 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 good. Okay. I think the last one is like kind of playing up. Double check. Okay, I'm happy with that. How about the inside? Shouldn't I put so much flux here? Okay. We need to use a sharper tweezer. Okay. Now that's fine. Another mistake I noticed I watched the video, this goes on top like this. And I think the black part on top, let me review the video quickly. Yeah, that's all correct. So this should go on top, just like that. Now that goes like that. Now this, let's secure this too. So this is only held together by a piece of glue. Okay. Another interesting thing user mentioned is when they connect to Wi-Fi, external screen, the Wi-Fi plays up. That is an interesting one. So let's see. Okay. Now the trackpad connection, let me double check them just in case they have come off or not. Who knows? Okay, so trackpad, one cable comes here. It's got two cables. So this one is definitely in. They are in. Yep, just double checking. That's the LEDs for there. This could also be for trackpad, and this one definitely. Okay. 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 Just want to double check. Oh yeah, I wanted to check one more thing, which is the Wi-Fi cable. Forgot to check that. Making sure the routing, if you like. There are no physical damages. Okay. Okay, they're 100% in. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't have any more of these things to replace. Let me see if I got anything. That's an ASUS. Okay, so we've got very similar model, but this is a UX550V, UX580G. So we're gonna take one of these guys out and replace with that one. Let's try. Let's try first taking this out. This is bizarre, man. Okay, having to do this. Now the other one, yeah, same. Okay. We're gonna take that one out. Now it will get quite smelly. Pretty much they just use glue. Hopefully we can take it out in one piece. Okay. This guy here. And I'm gonna use actually a different head because the other head is bigger. Okay, that's heating up. Okay, so somehow I need to now take this out without any damage to it so it can be reused. How the hell do we do that? No idea. We'll figure it out. I'm going to try poking it out. Maybe that will help. Yeah. This has become more of a fun game than actual repair. Okay, clean all that alcohol residue bit. Okay, So this should naturally go into its position. Ah, look at that. So we're gonna still apply some glue. Okay, there we go. That's in, my man. Okay, we're gonna use a different cleaning solution. Clean all the other crap around it. Okay. One thing I also want to check is, no, that's about it. So we'll order a new keyboard. Not a keyboard, a new battery, because it looks like this one is funky. Or maybe there's some BIOS setting or something. Look at that. See, this guy is not fully in. Make sure it's fully in. Okay. Okay. We'll do another test. And the way I was able to repeat it, I had multiple windows open at the same time. Playing videos, and screen will just jump over places. Really strange. See if I can repeat the problem. Because the battery is full at the moment. Okay. Okay, we're into our guest account. We don't have a trackpad connection. Why is that? Okay. Uninstall, remove, restart. It's one of those things. Maybe we shouldn't have offered the thermal tune-up. Hmm. No, I don't get it. Okay. Okay, trackpad should be working. Unless it's disabled. It's got that feature. What's under other devices? No. This is one of those really weird ones. Okay. We're interested in this and this, 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 and this, this. Okay. Of course, access denied. That's already installed. Okay, that's done. Okay, here we go. Touchpad. Okay, not yet. And let's go back. Screen pad. Shift F10. Install as admin. Yes. Okay. Let's see if the trackpad is working in the BIOS. Okay. Couldn't get into BIOS too quick. To shut down and turn it back on. Oh yes, coming up. Hey. Hello. No worries. Yeah, just finishing up a job. Won't be long. Sorry, did I leave my phone somewhere here? Your laptop is here. Good to go. You can turn it on. Have a quick look. Oh, here's my phone. Yeah. Say that again. So there's a Type C controller chip on the motherboard. I've removed one and installed one, and everything worked fine. So the other one was okay. Yeah, and it charged all the way to 100% and turned on as well. All the data is still there, but it's not something you will have like caused. There's no physical damage, no liquid damage. It's something to do with the charging circuitry. On the motherboard, exactly. Yeah. And we can't get new motherboards or get motherboards for these, but we can replace component level parts. Yeah. And if you got same issue in 3 months or anything like that, just let me know. Don't take it anywhere else. They might do different repair. Yeah. Do you have any other questions or can you do it now? We don't have any trading history. To Thank you. No worries. Oh, no problem. You can do a credit card payment. There's a small fee, or you can do a bank transfer to avoid the fee. Oh, no worries. When you're ready. And then you can do pay ID. We'll come to the account too. Yeah, you can, as long as you put the correct number in and we'll mark it as paid, send you a receipt. Yeah, correct. Yeah, and that's the number there if you need it. Great. Thank you. Yeah, there's a fee, so save on that. Yeah. Yeah, and a giant poop there, mate. Yeah. And is it your computer or someone else?
It's Mish's. So my husband Mish is it's his computer.
And
We
he's
both
using,
use it.
do you know if he's using the original charger or
Yeah.
some, okay, good.
He's very particular with that for this.
Okay, good.
He always uses the same
Okay.
charger. For our phones, we use different ones.
Yeah, okay.
But for
All
the
right,
laptop,
good.
it's always the original charger.
Maybe it's one of those, something happened during
Can
charge.
it sometimes be if it's a different charger? But
Only the, see, all chargers will work, like Dell, HP, Apple, etc. They will all work. They all negotiate voltages and give accordingly. But there are some aftermarket ones, they don't do voltage negotiation properly. What that means is, for example, I connect my phone to that charger that you use here. My phone says, oh, I want 8 volts or 9 volts, and he gives only 9 volts. Example, this one will say, I want 20 volts, and he will give 20 volts. That negotiation, if the charger is poor quality, they don't do that properly, he assumes it's a laptop and gives 20 volts to a mobile phone, it's just going to kill it. Or damage something on this charging circuitry.
Right. No, I think a lot of the other wires that we have are, I think, smaller voltage ones for phones and stuff.
Okay, then.
The same area, but... Okay. 490.
Thank you. Yeah, 3 little ones, yeah. She just picked the carrot out. And I'm like, is the carrot big enough? They're gonna go home soon.
Hey, it's going another one.
Yeah, well.
Do you have you received that?
I'll just check. No, so you gotta wash it, mate. Thank you. Thank you. Any issues, you let me know, okay?
Yeah, we'll do.
Thank you. Have a good day. Back up your data, always.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's a good reminder. Thank
good.
you.
Thank you. Good. Thank you. Let me give it a wash. Don't let that pizza now. Highland, do you need help? Sorry. Don't worry. Yeah. Slightly cleaner. I remove. Hmm? Okay. Okay. It is still not working. Trackpad, what is wrong with you? Alright. Check in the BIOS to see if it works. we're going into recovery environment. Let's see if it's going to work there. No, that means there is a problem. What did we do wrong? I have no idea at the moment. Okay, so we have not touched this part at all. This comes all the way around here to here. Disconnect and reconnect. Done. This goes there, this comes here. That connects there. So these are like LCD screens. This motherboard has a LCD on the trackpad. That I do know. I think it's that particular model. Yeah. Okay, that's where I wanted to go. Trackpad is working now. Bro, why do you give me such a hard time? Okay. Oh yeah, 1 sec. Yep, no worries. Here we go. Okay. You need the utmost patience to work on this module. Okay, let's do another test. Okay. And I have one trick up my sleeve to fix the issue with the battery. Uninstall and reinstall the battery. That may resolve the issue, I'm not sure. It's coming on. Yep, trackpad is working. Okay, let us continue to Windows. And forgot to connect the battery screws. Hmm. 84%. Okay, battery. Okay, shut down. I forgot to connect the screws for the battery now. Oh yeah, one sec. Okay, I shouldn't be really working at this time. It's dark. Chickens have gone home. Okay, put one more in that corner. Okay. Yeah, trackpad is good. Wi-Fi is good, except of course the battery. Oh, 86%. You can do it, amigo. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do, right? Do what they've done. Connect an external screen and see the behavior. They said the Wi-Fi drops out completely. Okay, external screen plugged in. Okay, still running. And do it again. Oh, 87%. Yeah, no problems here. And the battery is going up, 87. I wonder if it's going to continue. Oh yeah, that program. Charge rate. So it's saying it's charging 72 to 68 milliwatts. 87. Okay, the way I repeated that problem, let me bring up YouTube. I had a bunch of videos playing at the same time. 87. Okay, let's leave that. Open in a new window. It stopped charging at 87. Another one. Okay. So I had if you like, multiple lines, multiple windows like these. I think that was a flickering, or that was just Windows making it. They was there like that. This guy, continue. There we go. We'll use that, 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 and then that in the middle. Okay. And none of that flickering happening. Yeah, we'll get another battery in. I don't know what the issue could be. Can't think of anything else. Maybe do a BIOS update. Let's go history. This guy. And let's go BIOS. MS Info 32. Currently it is on 312. That is the current one. No newer update available. Because same issue is happening even when computer was off. We're able to charge it while it's off. It still does the same thing. So I doubt it's a software issue. Power. That's TI power delivery driver. That's the type C usually, yeah. No. Okay, we'll see what happens. Anyway, we'll let it run. By the way, Wi-Fi is still working. I'm doing another speed test with Google. This guy here. No problem. If the external screen connected, all those videos running at the same time. Normal. Yeah. Yeah. And how do I enable the? I want to try that. Trackpad at the screen. I mean, that's not really our issue. If the screen part doesn't work, it should work. I think it is this key. No, this key here. Function should enable the second screen. No, they have a button somewhere around here normally. No, I can't repeat it. Function escape. No. Hotkey priority mode. Okay. I think you could be missing. There's the ATK driver. History. ATK. Yes. Expand all. Expand all. ATK. No. Keyboard. Yeah, this one. ASUS. Battery health charging. Okay. That's interesting. Okay. Okay. That's right. Jesus. Far out. And now, there we go. Now it will charge. Far out, man. Now it will charge. See? 1300. And we should see it go 88, 89. If we go edit configuration, say just 5 seconds. Okay. Okay. Stop. Start. Okay. And while that's going on, I mean, that's going to go up for sure. This one. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Okay. Hello. Okay, there we go. It's 88%. Yeah, I don't know. The screen feature, that's something they have to look at. Beyond me for now. But here we go. 88%. So it will charge faster if we reduce the brightness and turn the Wi-Fi off. Yeah, charge capacity again is going higher. I think it's because the trackpad behavior, I think it's because of the screen feature. Yeah. Oops, where did it go? Because the user was mentioning when he's holding the trackpad in one position, yeah, I don't have that behavior. But if I do F6 and hold it, there is that delayed. There is that delayed response. F6. Yeah, see that jumping behavior? See that? There we go. Now if I press F6 again, yeah, it's having that weird behavior, but that's not related to um, any of the work we've done. That's something else. So this should have a screen here. I don't know why he doesn't see a screen. Like on the trackpad, there should be a screen. The freaking mosquito has drank a lot of blood. Yep. Or I should say there should be an external screen connected. Hmm. Yeah, it's supposed to get that app screen pad. That's what it's called, screen pad. Let me see if the app is there. History. No, not screen pad. Driver. No, no, it's an app. Hmm. Screen expert. I think that's the one. Yeah, optimize. Yeah, I suspect he's missing these apps. Okay. Okay. Yeah, they're gonna install a bunch of. They're gonna do calibration. Had a similar laptop before. Come on, man, not the right time. It's interesting that the app for the battery talks to the controller and says don't charge over 80%. And that information gets saved on the chip itself, which is on the battery. That's amazing. Like doesn't rely on Windows. Yeah, that calibration should run. That's a beautiful photo. Okay. Let's see if it is in there. Screen. Should have started by itself. Hmm? Ah, that's it. There we go. Ta-da! Cool. And then here, traditional trackpad mode. But it does that weird behavior. That's not something I can help. And then that. And trackpad is disabled. And screen pad mode. Okay. And trackpad still okay. And trackpad mode. Yeah, it still does it there. It is a trackpad issue. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Wait. Let's check the battery health. Shutting down. Okay. Escape. Yep. 100%. Yay. Okay. All right. See you in the next one.